Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Squarespace, and I am here to welcome you to my new apartment. I am so excited. Today is Friday and I picked up the keys this morning and I'm so excited. I'm going to get in and give you a little bit of an empty apartment tour, and I've already brought over one load of bits and pieces that I wanted to start off with, so I'll show you what I've decided to bring over because this time I am being extremely particular. I will not be bringing anything I do not want nor need into this home. So I am doing the biggest declutter and reorganization of my life. I will be documenting the whole move and creating an organization declutter, get my life together series. So stay tuned for that. And I'm just so excited and I can't wait to share everything with you. I don't have any electricity connected yet, so I can't turn on the lights, but this is the bathroom. There's a shower, some mirrors, there's a couple cupboards, and then toilet and sink, and so cute little gray bathroom. This just here is the kitchen. So there's a sink in the island, a place I can get a couple of stools. The fridge will go behind this cupboard, storage cupboard, more cupboards, probably food over there, cooktop, drawers for all the different bits and pieces of utensils, and then also a microwave goes in under this section here, and then there's also a dishwasher just under here. But this is what the kitchen looks like. And here is the bedroom with all of its beautiful afternoon sun. So the bedroom is carpeted and then the rest of it is all floorboards, which is really cool because I've never lived in a place like that before. And then there's the wardrobe over there, which has two mirrored sliding doors. And then over here next to the window is where I'll have my TV and a couch and a rug, which I'm really excited to go and do some furniture shopping. Air conditioner is up here, and yes, I just realized there are so many lights on the roof. I love it when places have lots of lighting. It makes me really happy. And there's also a little balcony out here as well, which I'm really excited about too because I've never had a balcony before. I have a couple of items that were absolute definites, and so I have this gray chair that I got from Kmart maybe a year or two ago. I also have this woven basket from Kmart. Then I have the plant, which is from Adair's. I have a few things in the suitcase. This suitcase is the best way to just pack things. I can put lots of little things in there and I don't have to worry about carrying all kinds of different things. And then I also have my Kmart ironing board. There's probably going to be a lot of Kmart stuff. I have a little garbage bin that was in my office. Actually, all of this stuff came from my office. It was just stuff that I wanted to get out of there first. I just have a pot. I don't know where this pot came from. Plant is also from Adair's, and then this little plastic garbage bin that I think was from Kmart. One of the little ones, just so I would do regular trips to the garbage. And is it gonna fit? Yeah, that'll fit. I can put it under there, put my garbage in there and keep it tucked away under the sink, out of sight. I packed some of the most random things in this suitcase. I have a box of tissues, mostly because I need to buy toilet paper, and since I don't have any, I figured I could use it. I have a box of Lavazza coffee pods, which I'm so excited about. I forgot to bring the machine though, so these will have to go into my kitchen cupboard. I have this one gray, it's kind of like towel. I guess this is where beach towels are going these days, and it's got my YouTube play button in it. Thankfully it didn't break, and then I wanted to keep this because I feel like this would make a really great picnic rug. And then I have these frames that have actually been in storage, but I would like to keep them, so I decided to bring them here with me. In the other side I have another little pot plant. If you've been watching me for a while, then you'll know in my old apartment I used to have all of these pot plants and these frames and stuff in the background of my old videos, and they've just been sitting up in the office doing nothing. So I also have an iron and I have my sewing machine. I thought that was just a nice easy way to pack things, was just to put it in the suitcase. So I'm gonna take this back to the old place with me, and then I'm gonna try and find places for this to go. I have this one storage cupboard that I'm thinking I might lift this shelf out and put it on the top shelf and put my suitcases in this bottom level, and then I can put my sewing machine. I want to do documentation and just all of the boxes of stuff, my sewing supplies, DIY supplies. Oh, I could probably put my printer in here too. That would probably be good. Just take it out when I need it. I feel like for now this works. And then I have my sewing machine on here, and I can put all of my boxes of sewing supplies, and then I don't know, we can just do all kinds of other stuff with the rest of the storage. Even if I don't keep the greenery inside the house, I can put it out on the balcony, and I just wanted to keep it because I love greenery and I don't want to have a home that doesn't have any plants in it. So that's pretty much it for the first day. I'm so excited. I think tomorrow morning Rachel and I are going to do some plant shopping, and then in the afternoon I'll be moving some of my other things over. I'm so excited, so I'll see you tomorrow. We got a few plants. I have a little baby devil's ivy plant, which I'm so excited about. And then Rach got a Swiss cheese plant, which looks really cool. And then what's this one? A ponytail palm. Just used the trolley from Bunnings that we hired to get my old little fridge in here, which definitely needs a clean. We got the washing machine up here, but I need to take the door off in the laundry to be able to get it in, so that's gonna be tomorrow's job. It's Sunday the next day, so yesterday Dan helped me get a new washing machine and move my fridge over to the new place. When I moved here, I got the big giant LG washing machine, but that doesn't fit in the new apartment, so I gave my old washing machine to my brother because they really needed a machine, and I loved that machine. And I just happened to find someone on Gumtree, which is a place where you can buy and sell things secondhand, selling this exact washing machine that I used to have really cheap. And so I decided to go and pick it up from her because there's nothing wrong with it. She was selling it because she's moving to a place that has a washing machine, so she doesn't need it anymore. So I got a really great deal and picked up a new washing machine. So we went and got that, brought it over to the new place, and then came back here and got my fridge because my fridge has just been living in the garage for the entire time that I've been living here. So we took that over as well, but it is so dirty and dusty from being out there that it needs a clean. So I'm off to the supermarket to get some things to clean it with, and then I'm also going to take a few more items over to the house as well. I started packing and organizing my bathroom stuff this morning. So I have these 4 containers that I'm pretty sure are meant for the fridge. They're from Kmart, and I got them when I lived in my last apartment, and now that I have the same sort of bathroom cabinet as the old place, I'm going to reuse these. I've divided things into pads and tampons and cotton pads, then all of my first aid stuff for when I'm sick, band-aids, all that sort of stuff. Then I have razors, a spare toothbrush, some floss, micellar water, and those things, and then cotton pads, the vitamins and probiotics that I'm currently taking, and then some nail polish and whatnot. And I'm gonna use my little suitcase to carry these over. I know they're gonna go everywhere in the suitcase, but it's just the easiest way. I thought while I was getting groceries I would come in and have a look at some of the Spotlight rugs because they have a sale, and I just want to have a look to see what I might like to get for my living room floor. I don't know if they'll have anything, but I just wanted to come see. I'm very highly considering getting this rug. It would be the perfect size, and at 40% off it does make it $180, which is still, you know, quite pricey, but it's still pretty good for a rug, and it's so soft. Oh, I don't know. Sale's on till next weekend, so I'm gonna think about it, but I love this color. So beautiful. I'm back and I'm gonna clean the fridge. There's a few marks on the front, but up here is what I'm talking about. They did some work in our garage a few months ago, and yeah, there's a lot of dust. So I'm gonna clean off the fridge. I'm actually gonna clean the inside as well. Why do I still have the energy rating sticker on there? It's been on there ever since I've had it. I don't know why I kept it on there, but anyways, let's clean. My fridge is clean. That took so long. I have to get some stuff to get rid of that sticker though, but it's all clean. There's no more dust. I'm actually thinking about putting a double adapter in that wall and putting my printer on top of my fridge, because there's this great cupboard that just closes it off, and then at least I would have access to a PowerPoint and a place that my printer could go without it being like, you know, out and about. And then I also put my toaster and my kettle down here because the only PowerPoint on the bench is this one, and I just don't want to clutter too much stuff in that corner, so I'll take them out whenever I need them and whatnot. And then I also have my new coffee machine, which I should unbox. I also washed up all the inside parts of the fridge and the freezer. I'm just gonna leave these here for like the next day so they can dry on their own. It's Monday afternoon. I went to uni this morning, and now I've come home and I've decided I'm gonna pull my bed frame apart. So let's get into that. It's Tuesday, and last night Dan helped me move my mattress in. We didn't think it would actually fit into my car, but because it's one of those mattresses that comes in a box, it doesn't have any springs, so we were able to squish it in, and my mattress is here, which means tonight is going to be my first night staying in the apartment, which I'm so excited. I brought over my bed frame this morning and a few things just to kind of get me through before I go in and sort out my wardrobe and my bathroom and all that sort of stuff. I brought over my 2 clothes horses because I don't have a dryer and I don't really want to get one. I just prefer to hang out all my clothes, and then I need to wash all of my bedding from when I was sick. And then I also have my bed frame, my 2 pictures to go above the bed, my bed, and all the bits and pieces, and then my bag of stuff that I figured I would get away with for my first night. So I'm gonna have to do this tonight though because I've run out of time and I need to go to uni. Okay, this morning's job is to build my bed frame so I can actually feel like my room is coming together. I'm thinking about not having my bed centered in the wall and putting it a little bit closer to this corner and having the bedside table right up against the corner so that I can probably put a little chest of drawers in there. I'm pretty happy with the placement of the bed. I think it's good there. Like there's quite a fair bit of room over here, but it does mean I might be able to put a little chest of drawers there so that I can put some clothes in. I think it looks good. I mean, everything in this room is completely gray right now, but I will add some color when I wash my other bed sheets. I'm gonna wrap up this first moving vlog here. I will have so many more. I'm doing a wardrobe declutter and organization. I've got to do the kitchen. I've got to buy new things, new organizational supplies. So there's gonna be so many different videos, especially the major big clean out at the end. That is gonna be a big video too. So definitely stay tuned for all of that. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create a website. So now that we're going into the new year, maybe one of your goals is to start up a blog, or maybe you're like me and you're a creative student and you need a digital portfolio, then definitely look into creating a Squarespace website. You can create a beautiful website using one of their award-winning templates, and it's an all-in-one platform, so you don't have to install anything or upgrade anything. And they also have 24/7 customer support if you need it. Their domains are super simple to set up and it's a really flexible website. There's so many different kinds of creatives that use Squarespace. So like I said, if you are looking to start a blog or you're an art or a fashion student like I am and you need like an online portfolio, then definitely look at Squarespace. You can go to squarespace.com/Rachelleea to get a free trial and 10% off your first purchase. I'll have all the information listed in the description, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed this first moving video. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I'll leave a link to another one, and I'll see you guys in my